I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun.
3, 2, 1. Hey
Hi
guys!
guys! I thought it was hi guys.
You said hey, we said hey
Okay, we
guys.
said hey guys.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to the channel.
We understand it's been long, but we were on a break
Not like toxic
and we're back. Basically, in this video, we will be giving you live updates about what's been going on and
Where we were all this time, how life has been, what are our hopes and expectations in the coming year, and yeah, just like a glimpse on what's been happening all this time.
we're doing individual.
No, I mean like, yeah, I mean like, so the first question is where were we all this time?
Yeah. Dekho, I think the last video we posted was final year.
Yeah.
And internship mein things got obviously very heavy. So we completed our final year, we became doctors, we shared that online. Then as soon as internship started, I think both of us started getting to a very padhai zone where we wanted to at least have like a few steps cleared with us so that we can start applying for electives and all. What I mean by this is we're both giving both USMLE and NEET. We're applying for both the things and trying out what works out best for us. So I took around 6 months, while 3 months working and the rest of it to prepare for step 1 and
I'll share my thing
she'll
later.
share
Yeah.
one thing later. And the good part is Feb I cleared my step 1 and passed. And me currently am just working thoda bahut, doing the chill units, completing the chill extension and applying for a few electives. I did a few conferences in between, came second in one of them. And I think we finally have the time and the energy to actually start back the channel and come up with something good, not just to keep it running. We didn't want to post anything up there that that will end up us losing you. So yeah, that's been happening here.
Oh, that is a lot of.
You don't have to do that. It's not a talk show. But just acknowledge the other person that you don't do that.
So with me, I took my time to give the steps. I'm done with step 1, I'm done with step 2.
Overachiever.
And no, and I'm done with 3 months of my electives in the US, and I think I came a long way after final year. I used this time period of 8 to 10 months just to figure out where I see myself, how I see myself, and what are the short-term goals that are going to help me build that vision in the longer run. This was also the time where I hit a wall and I was unsure in terms of what the future was supposed to hold, and just that early 20s ka struggle where you feel like, am I good enough at academics? Am I good enough in my relationships? Am I good enough at just being an adult? Like figuring out money, changing countries, and पूरी life बस like suitcase में pack करके to roam around sounds very romantic. It comes with its own set of hardships and struggles, and through these 8 to 10 months, I was grateful enough, I would say, that I got to experience this and just learn so much more about life.
The question is,
Why the Nerd's Anatomy?
oh damn. I think Nerd's Anatomy was a child waiting to be born from us. Like, I don't want to be all creepy about it. And we wanted people to actually enjoy what they do. I don't know why medical education is taught itne bure tarike se ki it's the worst that you can do, it kills your youth. What about a certain set of people who are enjoying that study table, who are actually feeling that rush of endorphins when they see the time and it's been 10 hours on the table and you've grown so much?
There's no simple answer to why the Nerd's Anatomy, except for the fact that this is what is me in essence. Yes, I do study for marks as much as I study for meaning, and I love to sit and study continuously, 8 घंटे, 10 घंटे. Yes, we study for long hours. Yes, we still have breakdowns after that. But yes, we'll show up the next day again with the same amount of passion, with the same amount of dedication to say, I'm going to do this all over again till I get to the highest point of my life. Nerd's Anatomy is the anatomy of dreams, of dard, and of like everything that we've dreamt of since we were kids. This is the version of myself that I am today. Is so happy if I were to look at my 6-year-old or 10-year-old self.
So, what is your final message to everyone who's watching and has been following us for all this time?
My message to everybody is going to be that discipline is the highest form of self-love. Love yourself enough to show up for yourself every day. Especially for all the young girls out there, have the guts to dream big and dream big so that you can prove yourself. Don't ever think you're too small to do anything, and anybody who makes you feel that way should be out of your life. The harder you work, always remember you should have something to come back home to. Have a life outside of hospital also if you're getting into medicine. For me, what works is having a close circle, but a very tight circle. This is for my best friend, Khushi, who has constantly supported me through the last year also. She knows how much I've been through, and I'm very grateful for her also. And keep your people close, know who they are, and keep working hard.
Let's go. Okay, I'm going to keep it very short. Just 2 things. Love what you do, have fun, make it the most fun thing, no matter how boring it is. It's you who has to be the craftsman and make something that is utterly boring into the best of it. Always enjoy, always be that magician who converts anything boring into fun. And lastly, I feel to everyone who's watching the channel, we love you a lot. We've been very, very inconsistent, we know that. You guys have shaped us while we were growing. We have this channel in our very formative years. So, thank you so much. You have a big part in shaping us as who we are. I hope we played at least like a very small but some part in shaping how you think of medicine. And please be respectful, please be loving. We do get affected by the hate we get, but we do get affected by the love we get as well. So thank you for all the love. And love and strength always. Let's go, we did it, I'm so happy.
भाई 34 minutes बकवास करी है भाई हमने